Kijing tip bagi kubor ki baman la kesni nak kuasi kai channel siang bahas subscribe nak mentah. Nong yalam kaliang persya ahing dor bar thau ain gejala ubak Roni Wilong do nong ai tien game Khalia Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC ubak Roni Wilong do udai ru MLA Kemalim konstituensi ulong ba ke parti hi kan ai ke kyrshan ha ke bai dei pat ke jingiakhih ke Voice of the People Party VPP bantung kambiang ya kilai ngut ki officer kalau kayokta ki balasya weng no dangsien haba jingkren ha ke no phai sngi ke khat kendai trik jong kolal kot jong ta snem arjar arusau ubak Roni Wilong do ulong balada don geno kemat ke bakta ya ke jala ke parti kan ai bet ke kyrshan ubak Roni Wilong do ulong ru Baya kalau kayokta lawan rak dan ke sorkar kongres naduk mensyua nak benta banwan rak ia ketenat trekam ke bukuj harga tenat sorkar ka parti kan wat ya kidau ba balai ke sorkar kan wen kamno ya kilai ngut ki officer balathung ha kalau kayokta
does not state anything under the Constitution of India. It does not state anything under the Constitution of India. We are peacefully protesting. This is the right. This is the right of every individual. This is the right of every individual. How can you suppress that right? How can you suppress that right of the individual? What duties are we talking? It is our duty to protest as well under Article 19. You just cannot use force. Just get it use force. What's all this? This is all force. You're not allowing us to move forward.
Right? Come with
Exactly.
Yes.
I just want to send this message. Yes.
You
understand the situation? I just want to send a message. I just want to send a message. You understand the situation in the state? Let's not talk about the common people. But we, as elected representatives, whom the people have elected, cannot even exercise our right and duty. That is the situation, the government that we have now. Dictatorial. Dictatorial government. Dictatorship. We know. It is our duty. When we see that the state is going down because of corruption and everything, when officials elected by the government itself, they have been removed because they are doing their rightful duty. It is our duty to stand up for them. Otherwise, our state will go to the drain.
We are all in the drain.